Alright guys, Doug from Pinetree Line Outdoors. I'm here reviewing the FiveJoy-Compact-Military-Shovel, also known as the Backcountry-Shovel-RS model. This is a maximum strength, multi-purpose function shovel. Has a lifetime of durability. It acts as a shovel, a hoe, an axe, a hammer, a knife, a saw. There's actually a fire starter in here and can be used as a grapple hook as well. It packs to, in this case, to 7" by 11", and it's this case has a removable strap. It also has Velcro in the back if you wanted to hook it to your belt or if you wanted to hook it to a pack. Well made. This is the kind of stuff that we need in Canada, and now it is available in Canada through Amazon.ca by FiveJoy, and it is only distributed in Canada by FiveJoy. If it's not from FiveJoy, it's not this model. The shovel head is high carbon steel. It measures 50 to 52 on the HRC scale. The handle is made of aerospace grade aluminum. The knife itself is high carbon steel, and there's actually some paracord on there, and it's 7 strands of paracord. Alright guys, we're going to take it out of here. Basically, heavy duty Velcro on there. That's the knife with the saw. It's also got a bottle opener, and on the end of it here, that's the fire steel. And as you can see, no problem giving out sparks there. Plenty of sparks. And that just fits right in the end of the handle here. Within the fire steel itself, if you loosen that up, there you're going to find a whistle. If you wanted to hook it to your belt or your pack, just like this, you could with that Velcro right there. This is nice to have protection on the shovel itself because it does have a sharp side here, which is used for the axe. On the other side, it has a a ruler here to measure. So how it basically works is, as you've seen in some of the video already, you pull back on the collar and adjust it to where you want it. So if you want it as a hoe, you could adjust it there. If you want to get it down to that one, that adjustment would be for a grapple hook. And then straight up goes through here as the shovel. Nice pointed blade here. The shovel's 21 inches as it stands right now without the extensions, which I'll explain in a minute. With the extensions, it expands to 33 inches. The shovel head is 5.7 inches wide, and it's about 7 inches from tip to the bottom here. It weighs 2.19 pounds with the extension tubes. So if you guys are interested in the extension tubes, they can be purchased separately, and they come in this pack, which once again has a belt loop, or you can stick that on your pack. Heavy duty Velcro again, and basically you get the two tubes, and they attach right into the handle. All the screw-in parts have a gasket as well, so that should help keep any kind of water or moisture out of there. There's a gasket on there. So this is basically how you extend the shovel to 33 inches, which gives you a lot more leverage. Again, I did some of the testing with the extension tubes on and some without, just to try both. The foam handles here, there's two of them, and they are movable, and which is great because when you add the extension tubes on, you might want to grip it differently than you would when the extension tubes are off. This shovel is an absolute beast. It packs well. It gives you options with the cases to attach it to your belt or to your pack. The weight is good on it at 2.19 pounds. This runs $85, free shipping, Amazon.ca. The extension tubes are $25, and you get those with the case. In the US, these run about $69 American and $20 for the extension tubes. The FiveJoy has sent me this shovel for review, and they want you all to know that this is now available in Canada, right from the company FiveJoy through Amazon.ca. Do not be fooled by anybody else selling this shovel. The one thing I did find is in cold weather, I left this in my vehicle overnight, the collar will stick a little bit until it warms up. So be careful, make sure that it's engaged, but most of the time there's no need. Once you pull it back and you find the adjustment, it just snaps right in without a problem. So after reviewing and using this and chipping ice with it and digging into snow and cutting trees, there's absolutely no markings at all on the head of the shovel or on the knife or the saw. Everything is fantastic shape, heavy grade, and durable. This thing is absolutely a beast. It's perfect for an emergency kit, survival, camping, etc. The knife, the saw, the side of the shovel spade to be used as an axe are all very serviceable. Alright guys, so FiveJoy has told me that they want to give you 10% off any purchase of any shovel from today for the next 30 days. And I'll put the coupon code in the description box. That is for my Canadian and American subscribers. You'll be buying it off of Amazon.com for America and Amazon.ca for Canada. The 10% does not include the shovel extension tubes. If you are to purchase a shovel and the extension tubes, you're already saving 20% as it is off of Amazon just by purchasing both items together. So if you're just buying the shovel, you're going to get 10% off from FiveJoy through me for my subscribers for the next 30 days. Alright guys, FiveJoy has indicated to me that they like to give away one of these great shovels and set of extension tubes to one of my subscribers. Unfortunately, the contest can only be open to my subscribers in Canada and the United States. And in order to have a chance at getting the shovel, all you have to do is share the video either on YouTube, Facebook, or some other means, and comment in the comment section how you've shared the video, and that you'd like an opportunity to take part in getting one of these great shovels and extension tubes. Alright guys, we'll announce the winner in about a week's time. If you like my review, give me a thumbs up. If you like the channel, you like the kind of stuff I'm doing here, please subscribe. I'm also on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, and I'm on Twitter, Pinetree Outdoors. Have a great week guys, thank you.